back out here, you know what I'm saying, No Limit Fishing. And we out here fishing in the rain right now, but it's a lot of activity as you guys can see. Look at my pole, how it's moving. But check me out, I'm about to set my hook. There we go. Big bitch. Come on. Come on. Woo. Come on, baby. Come to daddy, baby. Come to daddy. No. Yeah, you motherfucker. Oh, come here. Come here, bitch. Woo. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. Mm. Oh. 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 There we go, guys. Again, back at it. Back at it like we never left it. Yeah. Fucking big ones over here, guys. You know what I'm saying? Again. Hold on, let me clean them up real quick. Yeah, there's some toes over here. We won't play over here. Man. Hold on. See, guys?